Hello students, good morning everyone. Today in this video, we are going to see the question and answer part of EVS 1 lesson number 6, Variety in Food. Now students, take out your scholar series and pen, write down today's date and write in neat and clean handwriting. Let us start the notes of 6th lesson of EVS 1, Variety in Food. First question, fill in the blanks. A. In every region, there is one dash food. The answer is staple food. B. Dash is the main occupation in all parts of a country. The answer is agriculture. C. The crop grown in a region determines the diet of the people in that region. The answer is diet. Question number 2. Circle the odd one out in the given food items and write why it is the odd one. So here the question is given and there are given different types of food items. So we have to circle the odd one and we have to write down the reason why it is the odd one. So first is given mango pickle, mango jam and mango pulp. So the answer is mango because it is a fruit and rest all the item made out of mango. Second question is pulao, paratha, dahi bhat, biryani. So the odd one is paratha because all other items are made from rice. The third question is Mysore pak, Puran Poli, Thalipit, Zunka Bhakar. So the odd one is Mysore pak because it is a sweet dish of Karnataka region while other dishes are of Maharashtra region. Now see question number 3. Guess whether each of the following items is a grain or a vegetable and make a list of the food items that can be prepared for each. So here are given different types of items and which food items we will make from that we have to write. So first one is given A. Maize. So this is a grain and from this item we will make paratha, soup, bhel, salad, etc. B is pumpkin. So pumpkin is a vegetable and from this item we will make different types of vegetables. So the answer is vegetables. And now the third C1 is cluster beans, that is guar. This is a vegetable and from this item we will make vegetables, pickles, etc. Question number 4 is true or false. A. Agriculture is the main occupation in India. The answer is true. Second is availability of fruit does not vary according to season. Answer is false. Question number 5 is match the following. Here are given 3 columns. In column A, question is there. In middle column, we have to write down the answer. And in question number B, all answers are given. So first question is rice, coconut. Second is wheat, soybean. And third one is jowar, bajra. And in column B is given moderate rainfall, low rainfall and a high rainfall. So the question number 1 is rice, coconut and the answer is high rainfall. Question number B is wheat, soybean. The answer is moderate rainfall. And question number C is jowar, bajra. The answer is low rainfall. Question number 6 is answer in one word. Question number A is which fruits are sold all year round? Answer is apple, bananas. Question number B, which fruits are not available in the rainy season? The answer is mangoes, strawberries. Question number C, which fruits are sold in summer? The answer is mangoes, watermelons. Question number D, in which seasons are fruits available in plenty? Answer is winter. Question number E, in which season do we get fever fruits? The answer is summer season. Nowadays, many fruits are available throughout the year. Question number 7 is read the map and answer the following questions. So on your scholar series page number 58 there is given a map of India and we have to read that map and we have to write down the answers of these given questions. So question number A is given which food is grown on a large scale in the coastal region. So coastal region means the area between the land and the sea. So we have to write down the food which is grown on this coastal region, and the answer of this question is rice. Question number B is given, which food crops are grown in North India? So in North India, the crops which are grown is wheat. So the answer is wheat. Question number C is, which is the major food crop in the coastal region? So the answer is rice, because rice is the major food crop which grown in the coastal region. And the question number D is, rice is grown on a large scale in the southern part of India. Why is this so? So the answer of this question is because the southern part of India has hot and humid climate. This region gets heavy rainfall, which is essential for the growth of rice. Now see the question number 8 is given. The map given below depicts famous food items from Maharashtra and its adjoining states. Study the map and complete the table given below. So we have to study this map and we have to write down the questions given over here. The first is given, make a list of districts, states and their famous food items. And the question B is given, find out which grains, fruits, vegetables these items are made of and write that in the third column. So in this question, we have to write down the district states in first column. In second column, we have to write down the food item, and in third column, we have to write down the main ingredient. So first state, while observing the map, we will write Maharashtra, and the food item is bajra bhakri, and the main ingredient is bajra flour. The second state is Goa. The food item in Goa is prawn curry, and the main ingredient is prawn. The third state is Karnataka. The food item in Karnataka is idli dosa, and the main ingredient is rice urad dal. Question number 9 is, fill in the boxes with right fruits as per the seasons it is grown. So here are given 3 seasons, summer, rainy and winter. We have to write down the name of fruits which are grown in this season. So first one is given summer, second one is given rainy, and third one is given winter. So in summer season, mangoes, watermelon, jackfruit and chickus are grown. In rainy season, plums, lychees, apples and peaches are grown. And in winter season, oranges, grapes, kiwi and pears are grown. Question number 10 is, give reason. A. There is one staple food in every region. Staple means that food which we are eaten routinely. So the answer is, in every region a particular crop is grown on a large scale. Therefore, there is one staple food in every region. Question B is, the staple food of people varies according to region. Varies means changes according to region. The answer is climatic conditions, the fertility of the soil, availability of water, etc. factors differ from place to place. Therefore, the staple food of people varies according to the region. Question number C is, rice is grown on a large scale in a southern part of India. Answer is, the southern part of India has hot and humid climate. They get heavy rainfall, which is essential for the growth of rice. Hence, rice is grown on a large scale in the southern part of India. Question number 11. Answer in one sentence each. Question number A is, which food items can be prepared from wheat? The answer is, food items that can be prepared from wheat are chapatis, puris, parathas, etc. Question B is, write the names of different edible oils. Edible oil is cooking oil. So we have to write down the name of cooking oils. Answer is, the edible oil are mustard oil, castor oil, olive oil, groundnut oil and coconut oil. Question C is, which factors do help crops to grow well? Answer is, fertile soil, climatic conditions are factors that help crops to grow well. Question number D is, which crops are mainly grown in the region of high rainfall? So we have to write down the name of crops of high rainfall region. So the answer is rice, coconut, ragi are crops mainly grown in the region of high rainfall. Now question number 12 is, write short note on agriculture. Agriculture is the main occupation in all parts of our country. It is mainly dependent on rainfall. To help the crops grow well, good seeds, fertile soil, sunlight and water are needed. It means for agriculture we need sunlight, soil and water. Now we are going to do the drilling of the dictation words. You have to write down these dictation words 3 times in neat and clean handwriting. So the first word is occupation, occupation. Second word is agriculture, agriculture. Third one is moderate, moderate. Fourth one is fertile, fertile. Fifth one is crops, crops. Sixth one is staple, staple. Seventh word is diet, diet. Eighth one is variety, variety. Ninth word is improved, improved. And 10th is seeds, seeds.